Melissa, the Beige Book saying that economic activity expanded modestly across the Federal Reserve's 12 districts. The Beige Book, of course, a collection of economic anecdotes from across the 12 districts. Most businesses remain optimistic over the next 6 to 12 months, and that's largely due to the coming vaccine or their optimism about it. Consumer spending at the moment, however, reported to be mixed, both in regular spending and in auto sales. Conditions in the leisure and hospitality industry remain restrained due to COVID, though there was some modest pickup noted in tourism. Manufacturing activity, we've seen some good numbers. The Fed Beige Book saying manufacturing activity increased modestly for most districts, and most districts did report higher employment levels. And a curious thing with all of the people that are out of work, they are reporting trouble in attracting qualified workers, and there's talk about labor shortages in some industries. There was a modest rise in inflation reported, a big thing that the Fed has been watching. Of course, the markets are watching this. Cost increases were attributed to supply disruptions and to strong demand. Both of these are seen as temporary by the Federal Reserve, perhaps less so by those who are more concerned about inflation, with the Fed believing that once these supply disruptions end with the opening up of the economy, you would have prices fall for those goods that are affected by supply disruptions. Finally, this is important. Some retailers are able to pass through price increases. Another thing the Federal Reserve watches, which we call pricing power, and some retailers were unable to do that. So that's something the Fed is watching. Not a big red-hot inflation report here, not a big red-hot employment report either, but things are definitely trending forward as we are trending ahead as we wait for the jobs report on Friday.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.